Hi bazala bami, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami. It's about uPromise Makunyane. Guys, let me just tell you one thing about indoda. One thing about indoda izokuhlaza. Yabona loyo muntu loyo phela kumuntu ongamelanga ubheje ngaye. Phela komuntu noma ngaziwe kuthiwa ibhethe ama-R10 ungabheji ngaloyo muntu loyo ngoba uyindoda nomntwana. Ungabheji ngalezo zinto lezo because you'll never know, but more especially indoda izokuhlaza. So guys, indoda kaPromise Makunyane is out there ku-TikTok enjoying in life. Guys, we know that there were allegations that they are divorced, but I saw a clip somewhere uPromise saying that they are not divorced or what. Like uPromise engathi bekathi whatever the allegations or the rumors that they are making around, they are not true on the video. So a lot of people, they thought, yes, we know you promise you'll never divorce, what. But ama-video aposta ile ndoda, guys, will see ukuthi indoda le i-divorce, and then now it seems like uthole another girlfriend, a beautiful lady, you're not lie, and on TikTok yakhe he is posting le ndoda. Remember guys, one thing about Promise once said indoda yakhe ayithanda social media, indoda yakhe is very private. Even she went to a stand ukuthi makamposta avala ubuso bakhe. I guess that time bekamfihla just because bekazi ukuthi abantu bazomgubha bamthola, but her saying indoda ayithanda social media bekacamba ma lo muntu ayikho into angayiposti maye guys. Even ukuthi udivorcile siva ngayo ngoba on the comment section abantu bambiza ngoindoda kaPromise uthi I'm not married. If you comment under ipost yakhe uthi wena ushadile, uzokutshela kahle uthi no, I'm not married, ngicela ungihloniphe. Guys, let me just post this video to show ukuthi le ndoda ithi, you know what, mina ngidivorce.
You know, real shit, I'm never getting married again. I'm never going to do like the, committed relationship where we all live together and shit like that. I'm not doing that shit again because I lived that life already, right? Yeah, I got married young, but regardless, I still got married. I lived the life. I got 2 kids out of it, got divorced. I'm over that shit.
Bazala bami, if you listen to the thing I fagile there, you will see ukuthi this person will confirm the allegations of them being divorced. So I guess yena no Promise they are divorced, and it seems like he has moved on because the lady I posted a lap, we posted 2 times. The first video again, I know some things suspicious nyana to me, or for me. And you can think I'm suspicious because even the caption ibale we are friends though. The other post, guys, music esemuva, the music that is playing ama lyrics athi before ngithola, they are saying before I found you bengafuna umshado, bengafuna umthando, but after I found you sengiyazi ukuthi uthando yini, something like along those lines, guys. And it shows ukuthi, to me it seems like yena no girl, they are in a relationship, and it seems like Mr. Makunyane is happy recently. He's very happy recently, guys. UPromise umshado wakhe didn't even last for 7 years. I'll tell you why umshado kaPromise, divorce kaPromise itrend kangaka. uPromise bokula abafazi labana bathi yena ngeke ashade, ngeke aza divorce, akashadilanga usidivorce. She is for healthy relationship and healthy marriage, akakhulumi ngama side chick and akakhulumi nama divorces. Let me tell you one thing about umshado ufana nomntwana, guys. Ungashada namhlanje nibe happy nje no relationship, ningaba happy namhlanje nibe a happiest couple in the world, yabo. Nengane yakho mayincane ngaziphatha kahle, 10 years down the line, you don't know ukuthi wena nalo muntu wakho will grow apart. Akekho umuntu, I don't think, onormal oshadela ukudivorce. Angikazi ngezwa umuntu athi I got married to this husband, then I knew ukuthi later will divorce. No. Or I wanted to divorce. No. Because abantu even before ba divorce, a lot of people, they go through a lot of things before ba divorce. Babekezela izinto ezingabekezela. Akekho umuntu obekezela njengomfazi oshadile, guys. Akekho, I'm telling you this for free. Umuntu ubekezela into engabekezeliko just because asho uthini ngifuna ukuthi umshado wami usebenze. So makasuka file for i-divorce, usuke sekangasathandi. So ku-situation akaPromise le Mr. Makunyane, I do not know who filed for i-divorce, but it seems like i-divorce has been finalized because the guy is out there living his life. And guys, let me tell you one thing about indoda kaPromise. Indoda kaPromise seems like he's managed, because I remember the time uPromise ane-beef no Lerato Kganyago, bekahlala akhuluma ngama-washa very expensive, ama-washa abo 50K, guys, more than that, 100,000. Bekahlala asho ukuthi yena nendoda yakhe, they are traveling the world. Even the husband promise her ukuthi mabasebaqedile uthola ingane, then they'll do ibody. If she wants PPL, she'll do that thing. Everything into yabo, it seemed like ihlangene. But remember uPromise makashada indoda yakhe beyishiye baby mama or pregnant, heavily pregnant, 7 months pregnant. So you cannot go to trust into enjalo. Unfortunately, elifini, there's something that they call karma. And ikhama noma ngabe ungabaleka kuyokuphi ine-address yawonke umuntu. I believe ukuthi umphela komshado kaPromise Karma, and yena ngasho ukuthi yes yena makangangeni indawo, she doesn't owe the baby mama anything. But as a woman, I do not think ukuthi wena ungashada indoda epregnant omunye umuntu amshiyana 7 months bangacabananga bangana next day you take iside le ndoda yakhe uthatha mango watshele ile ndoda le, and wena no girl nibuya from ikaseli 1. You understand? So I for one, I do not have a problem with Promise, but I didn't like how bekabhesha the baby mama. I felt like ngoba baby mama kusumuntu out there naye bekathi indoda yakhe kusumuntu out there, if asakakhuluma ngobaby mama we wouldn't know this story uyesilethe endabeni zethu, because I think we all have a right to khuluma ngayo. Vele makayiletha ku-social media story ufuna sikhulume ngayo. That is my opinion, guys, but you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.